Here's a 2015 Nissan Altima. No one likes to be put in a box, so don't drive one. Enjoy the aggressive looks and the soothing comfort of the Altima. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, push-button start, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, pearl coat paint, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and driver notes, front seat comfort is excellent. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.